guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently Chhath Puja happened and we were also invited because of that to our neighbors' houses so as to celebrate this festival. This is a very special festival for the northern and eastern states of India, and this is a Hindu festival where it includes the worshipping of sun god. And this is the day when Kharna Prasad is offered to whoever visits their houses, and this is the Prasad. And the next day we went for the Arghya, which means offering water to Lord Surya, and this is a very spiritual festival, and I basically from my childhood I used to be there, and so I enjoy this festival a lot. And it's just a gathering where like people celebrate, everyone's together and they are all with the same energy and the same vibe matches, and also it's a place where you feel the worship of people. And the women who fast, they fast for as long as 36 hours without anything, and then after this puja only they have their food and water. After my mother was done with offering water, it was my turn to go, and I totally enjoyed it so much. Though I am a Bengali, but it's just something that I have celebrated from my childhood and it holds a very special place in my heart. So I really enjoy this so much. After it was sunset on that day, we had to be there the next morning very early. As you can see guys, I woke up around 4:42 a.m. in the morning and I was so sleepy. I couldn't sleep all the night, but yes, I had to wake up because I couldn't miss this festival. And the next morning, this is the time around 5 a.m. and the sunrise is around like 5:30 5:40, so we had to be there earlier than that. But yes, everyone, I was with my family and everyone, we went there and we were on time. But when we reached there, everyone was already there. They were already prepared and crackers were bursting and everything was such amazing in the morning. Like first of all, I didn't want to wake up, but then I was feeling super happy that yes, I made it, and it was amazing to be there. In the meantime, while everyone was waiting for the sun to come up, I was busy in making my videos and everything for this vlog. But yes, I was super thrilled so that the sun just comes up and we can offer water. And finally the sun came up and it was sunrise, so we started with the same ritual of offering water. And yes, it was just so much of people and everyone was in a hurry to do this, but we finally got our turn. everything happened and we got our tika as well, and it was now time to go home. And after we came back home, we got this prasad again, and which includes fruits and also this thekua which is made by them. And this was all from my Chhath Puja vlog, guys. This was a very mini vlog. Let me know if you like it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.